Okay, so here's 168c, I guess.
Yeah.
And what I built here, actually, I didn't build it, you built it, I should give you credit, is a cube that's got holes in it all the way through. So we made this out of snap cubes. Can you see that?
Yeah, it sort of looks like the first stage of the mango sponge.
It does kind of look like the first part of a mango sponge. Especially the snap cubes actually even make it look more like that mango sponge, don't they?
Yeah.
So this is a 3x3 cube. If it was solid, how many cubes would it have? A 3x3x3 cube.
Well, if you did it in layers, it would have 27.
Okay, it would have 27 if it was solid. If solid, 27. But it's not solid.
Yeah.
We've taken away some cubes. So can you figure out how many cubes? So how many individual snap cubes it takes to make this?
Well, there's 20. We start with the 27.
Yeah.
And we took away one cube on each side. And the middle cube.
Okay.
So I think that makes 7 cubes. Because 6 faces plus the middle one. Yeah. That's 7. So.
Okay, awesome. So how many is that?
20 cubes.
20. All right. What's a different way you could count this?
Well, you could just count it in layers like we did with the 3x3.
Okay. What would happen if we counted in layers?
It's 8 and 4, then 8 again.
Okay. 8 plus 4 plus 8.
Which is 20.
Which is also 20. All right. Now you want to see an interesting new way to count this?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So we pretend we start with a solid cube.
Yep.
Okay. And I'm going to drill some holes through this way, and that way.
Yeah.
Okay? So how much does each hole, when I drill it, how many cubes does it take away?
It would take away 3 cubes.
So I've got 27, zhink, minus 3, zhink, minus 3, this way, minus 3 that way. You see that?
Yeah, but you have to add 2 back in.
Why?
Because you drilled out the middle 3 times.
I drilled out the middle 3 times.
So you have negative 2 middles.
I have negative 2 middles when I go minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Zhink, zhink, zhink. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 isn't right because now I've got minus 2 middles.
Bah.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
So I have to go plus 2.
And that results in 20.
I got 27 minus 9, which is?
That is 18.
Plus 2, which is? 20. So there's an example of that negative, you subtracted too much away, and now we have to add back what it is. Okay? So I went zhink, zhink, zhink. I subtracted too much away. I had to add something back. Okay?
Yep.
All right. Now we're going to do one last one, and so this is actually a very challenging geometry problem, but it's got the same ideas. Okay?
All right. Yeah.